In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove and charge your Ring doorbell. To do this, you'll need the orange tool that comes with a bell. But don't worry if you haven't got it, a small flat-headed screwdriver should do the job as well. There's a small hole on the bottom of the doorbell with an orange button. You need to use the orange tool to press this in so you're able to remove the doorbell. Once pressed, pull from the bottom and the doorbell should just pop off. If you can't find the tool, use a small flat-headed screwdriver to press the button in. Once removed, take inside and use a USB-C cable to charge. The ring around the button should blink blue to indicate that it's charging. Once it stops blinking and the whole circle is blue, it's fully charged. To remount the doorbell, clip on from the top first, then push the bottom firmly until it clicks into position. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please like and subscribe as it really helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.